Every courtroom has two stories, the one everyone hears and the one no one notices. Most people believe justice is decided by evidence. But sometimes, justice depends on one person finding the courage to speak before it's too late. Aerial view, downtown Chicago. Rain falls across the skyline. Police sirens echo somewhere in the distance. Morning commuters hurry through crowded streets. The camera slowly approaches the historic courthouse. Chicago. 3 weeks after one of the city's most talked about murder trials began, the media had already made its decision. The public had already made its decision. And inside courtroom 7, it seemed the law was about to do the same. Inside the courthouse, reporters whisper. Family members avoid eye contact. A bailiff closes the courtroom doors. The room becomes completely silent. Marcus Reed sits beside his attorney. 34 years old, former paramedic, dark navy suit, tired eyes, hands shaking beneath the table. Across the room, the victim's family watches him with anger. Judge Robert Harrison enters. Everyone stands. Judge Harrison, please be seated. The room obeys instantly. The judge looks over his glasses. His expression reveals confidence. Weeks of testimony, hundreds of exhibits, dozens of witnesses. Today, the jury would finally speak. Judge Harrison clears his throat. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, have you reached a verdict? The foreperson slowly rises. Every camera points forward. Marcus closes his eyes. His attorney grips the table. The prosecutor quietly smiles. Then, a chair scrapes loudly against the floor. Every head turns. Near the back row, a woman slowly stands. Late 40s, simple gray coat, no jewelry, no expression. She raises one trembling hand. Your Honor, I need permission to speak. The courtroom freezes. Judge Harrison frowns. This court is reading a verdict. You may speak with the bailiff afterward. The woman doesn't move. Instead, she opens an old leather folder. Inside is a sealed evidence envelope. She looks directly at the judge. Your Honor, if you read that verdict, an innocent man will lose the rest of his life. Silence. Not a whisper. Not a breath. The prosecutor stands immediately. Objection. This woman has not testified. Defense attorney Daniel Foster slowly rises. For the first time in weeks, hope appears in his eyes. In the end, justice wasn't found in the loudest voice in the courtroom. It was found in the truth that someone finally had the courage to reveal. Marcus Reed walked into that courtroom believing his life was already over. But one person decided that the truth was worth the risk. And sometimes, that's all it takes. One person, one decision, one moment of courage to change everything. But now we'd like to hear from you. If you had been sitting on that jury, at what moment would you have started questioning the evidence against Marcus? Tell us your answer in the comments. And here's the question we really want to know. Do you believe justice was served? Or do you think there were still unanswered questions? Your perspective matters here at Verdict Horizon. This channel is built around stories that challenge what we think we know. Stories where the truth isn't always obvious, and where one overlooked detail can change everything. If this story kept you watching until the very end, subscribe to Verdict Horizon and turn on notifications, because the next story is already waiting. And once again, we're going to ask you one simple question. What if everyone got it wrong? Until next time, stay curious. Question everything. This is Verdict Horizon. Every story reveals the truth.